Hello everyone, Bera here. Welcome to another video where I'm going to talk about today's BTC daily levels. So looking from this point in 1 hour time frame, we can see that BTC is in sort of creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. Now, what I want to see from BTC, of course, pumping above this level, then coming back to retest on 60K, 64K zone. If that happens, there is a great possibility for us to enter into the other altcoins for longs. But for now, we don't need to enter because we have this resistance zone where the market can dump again. If the market doesn't go above this blue zone that I marked over here, we don't need to look for buys because we are still in the short time frames looking for sellers from BTC. So we always need to find that zone, that perfect entry for us to enter longs and then to sell on the top. Looking on daily time frames, let me just remove these ones. We saw that BTC respected this support area that has been from the beginning of the March this year. So we are now on a range. Impulsive way all the way up here, then creating a range on this side, and of course that we still are on that area where BTC is going up here, coming back down, going up here, coming back down, up here, back down, and of course it will go up here. But in order for us to find that perfect entry and to sell up here, we need to dive into lower time frames and wait for BTC to come to this level. Because if we enter over here, there is a high possibility for BTC to drop again around 4% and then continue to the upside like it did over here. And because of this 4% move that is possible for BTC to drop, the altcoins can drop to 10%, 15%. So if you want to enter like that, we don't need to place a stop loss because it can just tap into our stop loss and then continue to the upside. Should we trade without a stop loss? Well, no, because it's riskier, because the market can just dump. If BTC comes here, but it wants to continue lower to go to this zone all the way down here, then it's risky for us because the altcoins can drop to 30%, 50%. Because only from this move that happened on Friday and Saturday, where BTC dumped around 12%, the altcoins were down like 30-40% just in the past Friday and Saturday, the past 3 days. So now it's sort of correction way, but we are still in the downtrend in lower time frames, short term I'm speaking, because in long term we are in a bull run with altcoins and with BTC, of course. The best setup that I can see for today is if BTC goes above this level, something like this, and then continues again to the downside, or if it comes on this area right over here, there is a great setup for us to buy the altcoins. Now, I will also make another video where once BTC comes down here, how to enter, which altcoins to enter, and I will share them in the VIP group, of course. Everything that happened on Friday and Saturday sort of was something that I was looking for BTC to make that move, but it happened really quick and so fast. But it's just a healthy correction because once it came over here, now it will give us a setup where we can get entry points on the other altcoins and get around 30% per altcoin I'm speaking. Because if you look on, let's say, DUSK, we can see that all this dump to the downside that was around 25% has been up again, and it's up plus 5% in just 1 day. So only from yesterday it went up 30% plus. Now if BTC goes 4% or 5% to the downside, we might see For example, on DUSK, coming to this key level over here, so dropping around 17% to the downside. And when everyone starts panicking again that everything will go down, then we will enter over here with our stop loss under this low, so we won't get tapped, and we will target, because BTC will pump then to 70k, and we will target these highs around 60% per altcoin. So 2 to 3 altcoins, and this week can end up 150+% in profit. So let's see what BTC will do for today and has planned for us. I will continue, but the first thing that I'm seeing for BTC is coming down to this, to drop to this key level that I marked over here, and then continuing to the upside. So thanks a lot for watching, and please stay tuned for my new updates that I will be sharing in the VIP group. Thanks a lot.